guys, I know that it's very late, but I also know that I promised you that I'm going to show you using some of the new products from Fourth Ray Beauty. So before using any of the products, I'm going to go ahead and using these wipes to take off my makeup. And I feel like the brand needs to come out with wipes really soon. I removed all my makeup using only wipes because I'm going to use the cleanser from the brand, and also I put the headband with these little ears that also come in white. They have some more accessories that I showed you before. They have the crystal where you can feel them, get some energy. They have the scrunchie, they have the candle, they have the cloth, they have the bath bomb. I'm not going to do it right now. The sesh is like one of my favorite things because I truly do it for myself as well. If you light it up a little bit, then it's get like a smoke, and that smoke, it's like basically a positive, energetic shower. These two, which one is a cleansing oil, which is this one, and then you apply it first on dry skin. So I'm going to start with this one, and then there is a gel cleanser which you apply on a wet face. I'm not sure you need them both, but just for these I'm going to use them both. I'll start with this one, which is like has this oil texture on a dry skin. Kind of like rub it around my skin. I'm going to, oh, it smells so good. I'm going to take a little bit more of that. I'm going to use this one is the gel cleanser, and it says 1 to 2 pumps on a wet face, and then you just massage it into the wet face, and then you just wash it off. So I'm going to try this one now. This one does bring out foam, so I know I tried this one first and then I used this one, but this one is like, it's not a deep cleanser, but compared to this one it cleans more. So if you get use both, and if you get both, I will recommend personally, that will be my choice, to use first the gel and then to use after the oil, because this one will leave your skin smooth. What I'm going to use is the cleansing tonic, and this one also smells like spa, like herbs, and this is how you apply it. So I'm going to apply it right now on my skin. What I'm going to use is this one. This is the Lightweight Hydrator, and this is how you apply it on your skin. Last product left my skin glowy, and I love it. This is the next one, which is the roller. It has this small size for the under eye, other small areas where you can use this. This one is the later hater, which is spot treatment. So I'm going to apply it on some spots in my face that are haters and I wanted them to go away. So this one you shouldn't shake because you want to, oh, it almost fell. So you want to be able to get that swab into that pink solution. And then you apply this one to the spots, and don't wipe it off, just leave it till the morning. In the morning, just wash whatever left over. So I use all the products right here, most of the accessories also. I'm gonna see how my skin feels in the morning, especially because these products right here, because this one is like overnight treatment. But overall, I really like the brand. I really like the products. If you have to choose between these two and you can get both of them, I will recommend to get more the gel cleanser. This one I like it more. I usually like more the gel cleansers rather than the oil one, but some people like more the oil. This one leave your skin smooth. The cleaning feeling after using this one is also amazing. These are all affordable. That's the greatness of this brand. I also love this one. It leaves like your skin dewy. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I helped you. And yeah, it's launching tomorrow.